my dear student, welcome to Jai Hind Public School, and this is Aishkanta ma'am, your science teacher, and this video is for class 5 EVS and chapter The Snake Charmer Story. So in the last video lecture we completed up to this question answer session, and today we will start from here. What can we do? And this story is till this story is going for the grandfather, Aryanath's grandfather, and the remaining story today we will discuss about this remaining story. So Aryanath, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. So they made a law against this. Now with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? Why? He is saying that the government has made a law that no one can keep the wild animal with them, and for the snake charmers, for their livelihood, they keep the snakes with them. Because of this law, they can't keep the wild animal with them. So he is asking that how their livelihood will continue. So next, we people have never killed snake and sold their skin. People say that we keep the snake in bad condition. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing the snake. He is saying that if he wanted and the community of snake charmer wanted, they can also kill the snake and sell their skin at high prices. But they are not doing this because snakes are their treasure. But we could never do that. Snakes are our treasure that we pass on from one generation to another. We even give snakes to our daughters when they get married. In our Kalvalia dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snake. You know, the community of snake charmers are known as Kalvalias. So the dance form for Kalvalias community is known as Kalvalia dance. Okay. Like in Maharashtra, the dance form is known as Lavani. Like this, for Kalvalias community, the dance form is known as Kalvalia dance. So in the Kalvalia dance, they have also the movement, some dance step like the snake movement. Okay. So next, Aryanath, you will have to make a different life for yourself. That Aryanath's grandfather telling to the Aryanath. And you have to get your father's gift of playing the bean. You and your cousin can form a bean party for the entertainment of people. But do not waste this knowledge about snakes you have got from your elders. Share your knowledge about snakes with children who live in the towns and cities. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize the poisonous snakes. The snake charmers, they know better about the snakes, which are poisonous snakes, which are not poisonous, and the snakes bite. They easily identify the snake bite and the characteristics of snakes. But the people and the children who are staying in cities and town, they don't know anything about the snakes. Even they can't recognize a poisonous snake and non-poisonous snakes. So Aryanath's grandfather telling him that he should help the people or children they are staying in the cities and towns to identify and giving some knowledge about the snakes. Tell them how snakes are friend of the farmers. They eat the rat in the field, otherwise the rat would eat the crops. So we come to know that the snakes are also the friend of farmers, because in the crop field there are so much of rats and snakes eat those rats. That's how the snakes are the friend of farmers. So the next, now you tell your story, also make a new story of your life to tell your grandchildren. Like the grandfather of Aryanath is telling his story to his grandson Aryanath. He is also advising him that he also make some story of his own, and he can also say this story to his grandchildren. So here in this slide we will learn about some poisonous snakes that are found in India. So mostly there are many snakes are there in India, but out of all the snakes, only four kind of snakes are poisonous that are found in India. What are these snakes? These are cobra, common crate, Roseal vipers, also known as Dubaiya, and sword-scale vipers. These four snakes are poisonous snakes that are found in India. What are they? Cobra, common crate, Roseal viper, also known as Dubaiya, sword-scale viper known as Aphai. Okay, so here in the picture, this picture is cobra. Okay, this picture is for cobra, and this picture is Roseal viper. Okay, also known as Dubaiya, and this picture is from sword-scale viper, also known as Aphai, and this is common crates. So by watching this picture, you can identify the poisonous snake also. Okay. And next, a snake has two hollow teeth known as fangs. The poisonous teeth of snake are known as fangs. They have one pair of fangs. When it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. There is a medicine for snake's bite. We all know that for the snake's bite that we have the medicines for this. And the medicine is made from the snake's poison and is available in all government hospitals. So we know that there are medicine for snake bite, and this snake bite medicine is made from the snake's poison. So here is the activity for you, fun activity for you. You can make a snake puppet in your home from a old pair of socks. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to take one old pair of sock and you have to put this old pair of sock in your hand like this. In your arm, you have to put this sock in your hand and put stick buttons or bindi for the eyes. You will take two buttons or two bindis, and you have to put this button or bindi on the either side of here as denote as the eye of the snake. Then cut out a long red strip of paper for using as a tongue and stick it in the place of as shown. So here you can see this picture like this. We have to put one pair of sock in your hand, and you will put two buttons here like this as the eye of the snake, and you will cut. You will take one red paper and you will cut this red paper like this. The other side of the paper you will make a V-shape cut like this. Here you will cut a V-shape cut, but denote as the tongue of the snake, and you will stack this red piece here so that it will look like the tongue of the snake. So your snake is ready. You can make these activities in your home and enjoy and make fun of it. And I hope this video, you will understand this video, and for any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.